Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can move a note to a different folder on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen or in the app library, open up the Notes app. In here, go back to the main folders. So if you are in one of the folders, just tap on the folders at the top to go back to the main folders. In here, open up the folder that you want to move the note. So in here has a top secret note. So I'm going to touch and hold on that. And then from the pop-up menu, tap on Move. Now choose which folder that you would like to move to. Or while you are in here, you can create a new folder. So here we can call it Spots folder. And then tap on Saved. And now you can see the note has been moved to a different folder. So I go back to the main folders. I can go down and you can see in the Spots folder, there is a new note. And that's it. If I want to move it out of that folder, I can just tap on Move. And now I can move it to a different folder. So I'll tap on Move. And now I can choose a folder to move to. So I can move it to IT Jungles. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.